What's up, everyone? This is Connor with Guys This Channel here, and today we're gonna be eating nature. Yeah. We got some water that's very natural from my house hose. Completely natural. We got this piece of metal we found in nature. So we got some dandelions somewhere out in my yard.
We never got dandelions.
Well, we're not adding it. Okay, we got some grass and we got some bark and some Power C vitamin water that's filled with dirt. We got some dirt. All right, let's get to it. We'll be having our dandelions in 3. On 3. So yeah, 3 very magical fucking dandelions. Alright, so what we do here, we sprinkle these in, like, and we put some of this stuff in.
No, what are we calling this dish?
Natural vitamin C dish.
Okay.
4.
Good name.
Smoothie. So we're gonna pour our water in here. Nice and wet. Oh, there we go. We're gonna shake up our natural dirt. Try not. Oh, that's completely okay if we miss. So now, we mix this. Who added leaves to our soil? Someone out there is gonna get hit in the face very hard.
With what?
Don't even ask. All right. Now, as you can see, we are getting off to a wonderful looking start.
Turn it a little bit so we can see. Oh, very good, very good.
Yeah. That grass is looking. Touch my lip. I'm not eating it yet. We're gonna dip a rock in and bite. Got plenty of rocks for us.
Rocks over here.
Yeah. Here. I caught that, alright?
You did?
Yeah, I caught it.
Good job.
Alright.
Alright.
Now grab some of that grass. We're gonna add that. That's a new nutrition. Oh. Alright. This is what we call the grass.
It looks like pine tree. Oh, Christmas tree! Oh,
Shush,
Christmas tree!
Shush! This is our top flavor. Alright, we've been growing this for a couple... Who's throwing grass here? So, would you stop it?
Yes, you did.
You guys... Would you shut up? One of you. You. Whoever you are. Because you're the only one here.
Continue.
Alright. We've been growing this for like a week now. So... I'm gonna throw a brick at nature if grass flies on me. One more time. Nature. I mean, nature's a good thing. That's why we have all these...
Alright, don't you have to dump it in the dirt too?
Yes.
Alright, do it.
So first, we need to...
Up the ante, bro. Why do you have a strainer on water?
Because we're filtering the water.
That can't filter the water.
That's the point.
Liquid travel through his holes.
Travel through his holes.
Yes.
So we're gonna add our
Mix it.
leaves.
Mix it with your tongue.
It looks...
I want to see nature come over here and mix it with his tongue. Wherever you are out there with a red sweatshirt. I think I got a little bit too obvious. Then mix this. Oh shit. Oh. We won't be eating.
Oh! You got dirt on me.
That's the point. So then we're gonna do this. This takes a lot of practice. And then what you do here, scoop it in there, and then you throw it at nature. Oh, someone's buzzing me.
Nature doesn't like it.
Nature doesn't. Dude. Nature's being a cocksucker right now. Someone buzzed me. Alright, it's not important.
Alright.
Alright, now it's time for the ultra mega whatever. And then me and Nature have to eat this. Come here, Nature.
It's stuck to him. Alright,
All right.
time to finish the cooking episode number 1. Do it. 1, 2,
I'll give you money.
3.
Wait, you forgot to put the paste on.
Alright, say your outro.
How good is it?
10
10 out of 10, right?
No.
Say your outro.
Are you taking on it?
Say your outro. Turn the hose off.
Like this video and comment down below.
New cooking ideas.
Huh?
New cooking ideas.
Cooking.
Because you really suck.
I do.
Alright, say goodbye. Say
Good.
subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to this Connor's channel.
Okay, bye-bye.